Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check battery health on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Literally, checking your battery health can help you maintain optimal device performance and plan for the future. So, the way to check the battery health on your Samsung device, follow these steps. First, you need to install the AQ battery application. Well, since I have already installed it on my device, I will open the application. Okay, the main interface looks like this and you can swipe to the right side. So in this menu, you will be shown the information about your battery. Okay, after that, click on Finish. And then, there will be several features available. And then to check the battery health, you can select Health menu here. However, here the battery health report will not be displayed until you fully charge your battery beforehand and use it for a while, such as playing games or opening social media applications. So after that you could see the battery health report here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to check battery health on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.